knocked it off.
Keep killing it.
It's down.
Yeah! Woo!
Nice shooting.
He's done it again, people.
My turn.
Says here, we got these little exploding target deals. It says on here, if misuse of this product can result in loss of life or a limb. Well, we're going to put that to the test. We're going to see if we're going to put up on one of those limbs on this fallen tree and see if we can make it lose it.
This is a bad idea.
Which limb? See, what we're going to do now is Joel's going to shoot the AK and we're going to try to hit that on that branch way on yonder. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it right there on that branch. We're going to see if we can make it lose a limb. Oh! Alright, so Joel couldn't hit it, so I'm going to try. But if I don't hit it, Brian will try.
Bummer.
We're gonna try this again. Keep getting close, but just not quite hitting it dead center.
I don't think it's a...
Hit.
That was a direct hit.
Yep. That was low.
Low.
Alright, we couldn't hit with the AK, so we're gonna try with the AR-15.
That was it.
So all in all, I'd say the exploding targets are fairly safe. We could not blow the limb off. In fact, it didn't even explode after hitting it multiple times. Damn!